is loop control statement in Dart, and for that we have break and continue. Break statement is used to exit from the loop. For example, if you want to exit from the loop after a condition is met, you can use break statement. Let's go for practical. Void main as start my main method, and inside it I will write for loop, and I will initialize I with 1. I is less than or equal to, let's say, 10. I want to iterate 10 times I plus plus, and now inside it I will print you are in loop number dollar and then I. Let's run it. You can see it's running from 1 to 10. Let's say I want to exit this loop if I becomes 5. For that I will go inside this for loop, and then I will write if I is equal to 5, then break. You can see you are in loop number 1 2 3 4 5. So once the I reaches to 5, this break statement is executed and this loop is terminated. That is, iteration stops. So this is the use of break statement. Another statement is continue. Continue does not exit from the loop. It does not make loop to exit, but it jumps to the next iteration and skips current iteration. So let us try to understand it from coding. We'll declare int I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Inside it I will print you are in loop number and then dollar I. Let's try to print it, and you then use continue keyword for better understanding. This has printed in console from 1 to 10. If I use here, if I is equal to 5, then continue. You can see this has printed 1 2 3 4 5 6, not 5, because it has skipped this part. So what happens is when loop gets executed and I is checked, you can see I is first time 1, and this if condition does not get executed, and this part is printed. After the I becomes 2, again this condition is checked and it is false, it does not get executed, this print is stated and this print is executed. So when the I becomes 5, this condition becomes true and loop get and it enters inside this if condition, and continue is executed. Once the continue is executed, this part is skipped and it jumps to the next iteration, that is I becomes 6, and then it continues the same iteration process. So whatever will be inside this, it will skip when I becomes 5. If I write here another statement, let's say hello, you can see 4, then it does not the 5 is skipped.